Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of past paper solutions, specifically focusing on a step-by-step explanation approach. This method is incredibly valuable for not only understanding complex concepts, but also for acing those exams with confidence. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. First, what exactly are past paper solutions? They're essentially detailed answers to previous exam questions that have appeared in past examinations. These solutions go beyond simply providing the answer. They serve as a crucial resource, offering valuable insights into how to approach solving problems, the specific methodologies required, and the level of detail expected by examiners. Utilizing these solutions effectively is a cornerstone of exam preparation. Now, let's break down the step-by-step explanation process in greater detail. Step 1. Carefully read the question. This is the foundation. Understand precisely what's being asked. Highlight all the key information carefully. Identify the subject matter, and thoroughly take note of any specific requirements, such as units or specific formatting instructions. This initial assessment is critical. Step 2. Plan your approach. Before you even begin writing your answer, take a moment to sketch out your strategy. Consider the relevant formulas, theorems, or key concepts you'll need to apply. This proactive planning will undoubtedly save you valuable time, especially under exam pressure, and help to prevent any careless errors. Step 3. Show all your working steps clearly. This is an absolutely critical step. Examiners award marks not just for the final correct answer, but also for the method you employed to arrive at that answer. Write down every single step, every calculation, and every assumption you made in a clear, organized manner. Ensure all steps are legible. Step 4. Use clear, concise, and precise language. Your explanation should be effortlessly easy to follow. Use proper terminology, appropriate scientific notation, where necessary, and thoroughly explain your reasoning, ensuring the examiner can readily understand how you arrived at your conclusion. Step 5. Check your answer meticulously. Never rush to finish. Review your entire working process, and ensure that every step makes logical sense. Use alternative methods to double-check your answer, if that is possible and practical, which is a great technique to increase your confidence.